Yo, what's up? Good morning. It's beautiful bay and view behind me, and that belongs to the hotel. This is private bay. Very nice, very beautiful. It's very early morning, by the way. Winnie already calls me since 5:45 at morning. I think she missed me already a lot. However, today is a sad and happy day. Happy day as I'm gonna see my son. Sad day as this is last day in Lombok. I'm going back to Bali in next few hours. First of all, of course, I will have to have a breakfast, but I wanna show you hotel around and the beach because it's very nice area actually. It's completely different than the first place. It's more green. The beach is also different color. It's more like a North Bali or something like this. However, it's still very beautiful, and this bay is amazing actually behind me. So I will show you now how it looks, the beach situation and the hotel situation. Few words about hotel. Obviously it's very quiet, about 15% of occupancy, which is not much, and mostly only local people. Actually, I think only local people. And also the guy said as the people coming mostly they are from some delegations or something like that. So that's how it looks, the situation over here. I paid 800k per room plus, so it's mean plus tax 950 something, about $45–50 per night. Expensive, cheap. I think it's still cheap because it's Sheraton by Marriott anyway, and obviously this room, normal conditions, is 2.53 million, which is about $200, which is much more cheaper. Yo, what's up, guys? Yo. So that's how it looks. The pool area is also very nice. The water here is very warm, by the way. Here is some slide with the school. Very nice. This actually is very similar to some kind of Bali resorts. So, and obviously the standard and quality is very nice. Even it's old, it's very, very nice, high quality, I have to say. Also, as you can see, this hotel is quite big. This is on our wings in the garden. So here is the garden, and over there in the far is the ocean view. I got little bit upgraded room due to some complications when I make a reservation, so they apologize and give me little bit better room with the pool ocean view instead garden pool ocean view, which is a little bit better. However, it's quite big. I think it's about 400, maybe 500 resorts, rooms. Very nice. Okay, I think it's breakfast time. Alright, just having a breakfast. It's much more alive over here than in the previous place, as you see. I like what is now in the every hotel of Marriott Group, like Sheraton, Renaissance, something like that, courtyards, as breakfasts are a la carte at the moment due to this low occupancy. However, you can order as much food and as much drinks you want, so I really like it. Never too much cappuccinos, right? And the food is also very nice, very good quality. Still coming, but I will show you like this, and few bites is coming still. Alright, it's gonna be a checkout time. It's time to go to airport. I organized some taxi from the same number company from the airport. They said 220k because hotel asked me for 500. That's quite big difference. Well, obviously that's how it works, the business. Alright, so see you in the airport. Just arrived to the Concordia Lounge in Lombok Domestic Airport. However, except that, as they have a nice internet and empty seats, nothing is here. I mean, I can have an orange juice, that's it. So basically lounges are very limited. Lucky as they are even open, but they are extremely limited. Because the lounge is very empty, so I decided I can peacefully talk here. A few words about Lombok after talking with my friend Dayat, what you met him, and also the taxi driver and random people. They don't really, my friend, they don't really want it to be on camera. Somehow, I don't know why, so I have to respect that anyway. Yeah, the people in Lombok are very happy and very excited about the MotoGP track. I'm personally very excited about that. I know that maybe for some people they are like, oh, they are ruining the environment of Lombok, a beautiful area or something, but for the Lombok people, they are very happy and very proud and very excited. In short term, for them will be a lot of new workplaces, will be a lot of hotels, so
for them, because the Lombok for many years ago, like 20 years back, was very empty, very limited, kind of like other islands in East Nusa Tenggara, West Nusa Tenggara. So right now, because it's developing a lot, this is the bright future for the people from Lombok. And also they have a very nice roads, big wide roads, as you saw, very empty. So it's traveling here, like going to airport, which is quite far. It's like very quick, without any traffic and any stuff like this. So quite excited. A lot of people coming through Bali and they coming to Lombok. For me, I still love Bali the same. Nothing has changed. I like to travel. I like to visit the new places. However, I'm very excited about the MotoGP circuit, about the empty roads, I have to say. Different cultures. Also the Kuta area have amazing landscapes. The landscapes are really amazing, as you saw in my drone footage and my previous vlogs. So yeah, about the hotel, I forgot to mention, or maybe I mentioned already, I paid for the first hotel in Novotel 900k, and for the other Sheraton in Senggigi 985 or 965, 950, something like that. Taxi cost me 200 from Senggigi to airport, 220, so it's not so bad. Overall cost of my trip, I'm not sure, I didn't count in total. If you're interested, comment below, I will try to find this out. Very worth to visit Lombok. Gili, if you have never been in these places, fully recommended at least once. Come for a few days, explore south and north. Yeah, if you have any questions about Lombok, comment below. And yeah, now I'm coming to Bali, and check this out, how it's gonna weigh and how is the situation in the plane and the domestic airport in Bali. I will try to make a few shots for you. Lion Air. We found the plane. Finally, I will tell you the story with the Lion Air later. So hot, so nice, so happy to be here back, and so glad this Lion Air brings me healthy, safe home after some complications. Well, basically they just mixed up the gate. Okay, see you later. Welcome to Bali, island of paradise. So glad to come back to the Lion Air. I just got they mixed up the gates. I was a little bit late, but after that it's fine. Yeah, that's it about Lion Air, what I can say. Yeah, heading back to my car. Why is my face so dark? Quick update from airport, as Indomaret over there is closed and the Starbucks also is closed. So that's how it looked, the situation, very briefly in airport. Also, if you're interested about the getting taxi, a lot of drivers very happy to ride you wherever you like, as you can hear. Yo, what's up? Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, as you can see, a lot of taxi drivers hitting. I have a car, so I'm going to the park here. I just come back to the parking. Very interesting fact, because this is my car, right? This is the Innova Middle, the Innova 2. This is the Kijang first. Kijang Innova, and this is the newest. This is the same like a dad, old brother, and the youngest brother. Very, very funny, because this is the space for 3 cars and 3 generations of the one Kijang. Anyway, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I go home. I still need to editing videos and stuff. So hot. As you can see, it's very easy now to travel. Actually, you just buy ticket, make a test, rapid test, and register on the application, which is just really easy. Actually, your details and where coming and address and stuff like this, where and from departure to arrival. And that's it. Okay, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Thank you for being with us, watching me for the adventure in Lombok. I hope so you enjoyed. It was actually quite longer trip. Yeah, that's how it looked, the situation in Lombok, in Bali, in airports, in the planes, everything. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, please like, share, comment, subscribe. And new adventure will come probably next month. We have some plans with Winnie. This time we will go with Winnie together. Meanwhile, like always, tomorrow something new from Bali. I'm not sure yet what, but something. New video, 4 PM Bali time. See you. Take care, guys.